Hello everyone, welcome back. So today we are reviewing another pill case. So we're going to show you guys what it looks like. Let's go ahead and take off this little sticker here. So this is the pill case. This is really nice. I love the rainbow colored. That's really cool. So this opens just like this. Each individual day, as you can see, they are Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Each one pops out. Each day has its own time. So you got morning, noon, and nighttime. And each different time of the day, pop this open, has an individual tray for different pills. So each one has its own separate closed off area for your pills so they don't mix. So overall, these are really nice. I like this a lot. We're going to be giving this as a gift because I like it so much. So for all your pill needs, this would work great, my friends.